Standard Duty Orbital or SDO pads were designed to offer the same great engineered foams as Lake Country's popular HDO line without the dual layer construction. The difference is that the SDO pads are suitable for all DA machines with a center ventilated backing plate. So you can get a great performance on a DA, forced rotation, long throw, or a mini long throw polisher. SDO pads feature a unique tapered edge to prevent pad rolling and allow for great pad rotation. The center ventilated cooling channel dissipates heat away from the center of the SDO pads, reducing the temperature and increasing the durability. Less heat on the surface also helps provide consistent results and experience when polishing. Lake Country SDO foam pads are a simple 3-pad system that include a blue heavy polishing, an orange medium polishing, and a black final finishing pad. SDO pads offer consistent performance, firmness throughout the heat cycle, and maximum durability on long throw polishers. The SDO line pairs perfectly with our Lake Country low lint wool pad or even our microfiber pads when heavier cutting is needed. Lake Country SDO pads are available in 6.5, 5.5, and 3.5 inch sizes to work with a wide range of polishers. The hook and loop pads fit 3-inch, 5-inch, and even 6-inch backing plates. Durable, long-lasting SDO pads can be used for a variety of cutting and polishing needs. You can find a detailed aggression chart for our SDO line and more product details on our website or in our catalog. Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.